guys, welcome back to the channel. Impreza RS24. Today we're filming with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's a little gimbal, kind of films by itself. We got it set up on a tripod and a selfie stick. I'm also rocking the DJI Mic 2, which I'm super stoked about. Just got them, got two, plus a charger, the whole kit. It should be sounding pretty freaking awesome. Honestly, nothing beats the 2024 Impreza. I've tried all of them. I tried like the new Mazda 3, but nothing beats this RS. I just think it drives the best, especially when you put both strut towers on. We got pretty much all the upgrades besides like, you know, like a side skirt or like a front lip. I feel like we should get one of those. That'd be pretty sick, huh? Let me know if we should get a front lip on this and some side skirts. So yeah, let's get into the video. Do some drives with the Impreza RS. All right, now that we got that drive-by video in, I'm gonna show you guys a little drone edit we made of the RS. I had my buddy drive just to be safe, and my buddy drove the Impreza while I ended up filming it. But yeah, it came out great. Shout out Nameless Performance for the quad axle back executive. Make sure to go use our discount code. It's Impreza RS24, and you'll get a discount on any item at namelessperformance.com, which is awesome. Shout out Nameless. So comment down below what parts you want us to go get. It doesn't have to be from Nameless specifically, but if there's any parts you guys want to see us get, let us know in the comments below, because I do want to get possibly a front lip now. I don't know, I saw someone with a front lip the other day. It was on like a different car, and it was making the car look pretty damn good. So I'd imagine it make this car it would do the same to this car. I've done a lot of specifically like part installation videos. So if you're interested in like the rear or front strut tower, I got both installed on here from Nameless Performance, and they look beautiful. I got them in red. They're absolutely amazing. Definitely get some of those, and you definitely feel a performance difference on the strut towers. That was one of the main differences that I've felt out of any parts in my vehicle that I've done, is for sure the strut towers. You know, you're not going to really make the Subaru Impreza too much faster no matter what you do. It's just not built for that. Not this one, not this year. Hopefully in 4 years when they come out the next generation, hopefully they'll, you know, I don't know, throw a freaking turbo in here, because I'll definitely trade this in and buy it, and we'll trick that out and make some videos on that too. So yeah, I can't wait for what the future holds, and thanks so much for supporting again. And yeah, check out this edit.